The ketogenic diet has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. This low-carb, high-fat lifestyle can unlock incredible health benefits, including weight loss and increased energy. But navigating the world of keto can feel daunting, especially when it comes to finding foods that are both satisfying and nutritious. Enter the avocado, a creamy, versatile fruit that's not only keto-friendly, but also a true superfood for those embracing the keto lifestyle. Avocados often get mislabeled as vegetables, but they are actually fruits. They're unique because they're packed with healthy fats instead of carbohydrates. This makes them a perfect fit for the keto diet, which emphasizes healthy fats as the primary source of energy. Avocados are more than just keto compliant. They are nutritional powerhouses that can enhance your keto journey in surprising ways. From boosting weight loss to supporting heart health, avocados offer a wealth of benefits that make them an indispensable part of a well-rounded keto diet. Get ready to discover why avocados are a keto dieter's secret weapon. Let's peel back the layers and dive into the world of avocados, and explore the nutritional treasure trove hidden within each avocado. This humble fruit, often mistaken for a vegetable, is a true gem in the world of nutrition. Don't let their creamy texture fool you. Avocados are packed with an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can supercharge your health. Their rich, buttery consistency is just the beginning of their appeal. One of the most remarkable aspects of avocados is their high, healthy fat content. These fats are not just any fats. They are the kind that your body craves for optimal functioning. They are abundant in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known for its heart-healthy benefits. This type of fat is also found in olive oil and is a staple of the Mediterranean diet. These good fats help you feel full and satisfied, reducing cravings and supporting your weight loss goals. Incorporating avocados into your meals can be a delicious way to stay on track with your health objectives. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Avocados are also an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This combination is perfect for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber is essential for digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can derail your progress. Adding avocados to your diet can help keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. In addition to healthy fats and fiber, avocados provide a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. They are a versatile ingredient that can enhance the nutritional value of any meal. They are particularly rich in potassium, an electrolyte that plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, regulating blood pressure, and supporting muscle function. This makes avocados an excellent choice for athletes and active individuals. Avocados also boast a significant amount of folate, a B vitamin essential for cell growth and development. Folate is particularly important for pregnant women as it supports fetal development, as well as vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects against cellular damage. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and preventing illnesses. With this impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder avocados are considered a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or on toast, avocados are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Let's dive into the specifics of how avocados can be your secret weapon for shedding those extra pounds while on keto. These green gems are not just delicious but also packed with nutrients that support weight loss. As we know, the ketogenic diet aims to shift your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This metabolic state is crucial for effective weight loss on a keto diet. Avocado's unique combination of healthy fats, fiber, and low carbohydrate content makes them ideal for achieving and maintaining ketosis. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are heart-healthy and help in reducing bad cholesterol levels. The high-fat content in avocados helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. This satiety is key to sticking with your diet plan and avoiding unnecessary snacking. Fiber further contributes to this feeling of fullness, preventing overeating and keeping you satisfied between meals. The fiber in avocados also aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Avocados also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. This stability is essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. By keeping your blood sugar stable, avocados help you stay on track with your keto goals and avoid derailing your progress. Consistent blood sugar levels mean fewer temptations to reach for unhealthy snacks. Incorporating avocados into your keto diet isn't just about filling you up, it's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive while you're losing weight. Avocados are rich in vitamins and minerals like potassium, which is vital for muscle function and overall health. Section 4. Avocado Artistry. Delicious ways to spice up your keto plate. Now that we've explored the incredible weight loss benefits of avocados on a keto diet, let's move on to the fun part, incorporating them into your daily meals. Avocados are not just nutritious, they are also incredibly versatile and can be used in a myriad of ways to keep your meals exciting and delicious. The versatility of avocados is truly remarkable. They can be the star of the dish or a subtle, creamy addition that enhances the overall flavor profile. Their creamy texture and mild flavor lend themselves beautifully to both savory and sweet dishes, making them a welcome addition to any meal or snack. Let's start with breakfast. Imagine waking up to a plate of creamy avocado slices sprinkled with sea salt and a dash of cayenne pepper. This simple yet delicious combination can kickstart your day with a burst of flavor and healthy fats. Or perhaps you prefer your avocado mashed on top of a keto-friendly bread substitute, topped with a perfectly cooked egg. This classic combination is not only satisfying but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the morning. For lunch, diced avocado adds a burst of flavor and creaminess to salads, wraps, or keto-friendly soups. It can transform a simple salad into a gourmet meal or add a rich texture to your favorite wrap. Dinner possibilities are endless as well. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight meal or a fancy dinner, avocados can elevate your dishes to the next level. Avocado can be used to make creamy sauces for chicken or fish, stirred into keto-friendly casseroles, or simply enjoyed as a side dish. The rich, buttery texture of avocado pairs wonderfully with a variety of proteins and vegetables. And let's not forget about snacks. Avocados can be a delightful and nutritious option for those midday cravings. Avocado slices dipped in guacamole, anyone? This double avocado treat is not only delicious but also packed with healthy fats and nutrients, making it a perfect snack for any time of the day. Section 5. Beyond weight loss, the ripple effect of avocado goodness. While avocados' weight loss benefits are impressive, their positive impact extends far beyond slimming your waistline. These creamy green wonders offer a ripple effect of health benefits that can transform your overall well-being. Let's start with heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Furthermore, avocados are packed with antioxidants, including carotenoids and vitamin E, which protect your cells against damage from harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. The fiber in avocados plays a crucial role in digestive health, promoting regularity and a healthy gut microbiome. And did you know that avocados can even enhance nutrient absorption? The healthy fats in avocados help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K from other foods you eat, maximizing their nutritional benefits. Section 6. Embrace the avocado advantage, your keto journey companion. As we've explored, avocados are more than just a delicious and versatile fruit. They are a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can significantly benefit those following a ketogenic diet. From promoting weight loss to supporting heart health and boosting nutrient absorption, avocados offer a wide range of advantages that make them an invaluable ally on your keto journey. Embrace the avocado advantage and watch as these creamy green wonders transform your health and well-being. Remember, incorporating avocados into your keto diet doesn't have to be complicated. From simple slices to creative culinary creations, the possibilities are endless. So, get creative in the kitchen, experiment with different recipes, and discover the joy of incorporating this keto superfood into your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it. Section 7. Ready to dive deeper into the world of keto? Are you ready to unlock the full potential of the ketogenic diet and experience its life-changing benefits? We're here to guide you every step of the way. Follow us for more delicious keto recipes, expert tips, and inspiring success stories that will empower you to thrive on your keto journey. Join our vibrant community of keto enthusiasts and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Your healthiest, happiest self awaits.